1 is the internal connection tube, 2 is the airflow tube, 3 is the foam solution tube, and 4 is the power port for the foam pump. Remove the waste liquid bottle and remove the cover screws. Counterclockwise, be careful not to loosen the cover, as it may slip if the screws are removed. Use your hand to secure it. Also, disconnect the power cord for the cooling fan. The method is simple. Simply replace the old pump with the new one using the same connections as at 1, 2, 3, and 4.